Waterloo is preparing students to succeed in the future by the experience we offer them.
So let's get started.
University of Waterloo, with its history, is in a wonderful position to take advantage of the student body and the tremendous research potential, but also the reputation.
No matter how big the challenge might seem or how new the environment is, together we can always overcome it. And I'm glad that I found friends like that at Waterloo.
You are all future wisdom keepers.
I'm very glad and happy, honored to participate and lead the activities with PhD project.
Waterloo really prepares students well to be the talent that we need in the future to solve some of the most complex problems humanity faces.
Success starts here.